Okay, this is my first mukbang video. I'm eating California Chicken Cafe, the cabbage salad. That's good. This is Travis. Say hi, Travis.
Hola.
And I have some roasted chicken. And yeah.
In the background, I'm just making a rubber band ball.
And Travis is having a party tomorrow, but he didn't invite me. I'm kind of bummed. What are you gonna have at your pool party? Barbecue?
Probably pizza. I mean, there's some vegetarians who coming. My friend Origin's vegetarian.
What's his name? Or her name?
Her, Origin.
Origin. That's an interesting name. Anyways, I just wanted to try this mukbang thing out. Let me know if you enjoy watching me eat, and I'll make more. I'm not a vegetarian right now. I'm eating chicken. But I've thought about going vegetarian. I was vegan for like 4 years.
Oh, I was gonna say, like, I thought you were like vegetarian.
I don't eat dairy. Like, I don't eat cheese and stuff like that. So. That's it. Anything else to say?
No.
Okay. Bye, guys. Wait, I'll take one more bite for you. It's a thing. It's a thing. Watching people eat. It's actually quite satisfying. Let's see what happens. Say bye, Travis.
Adios.